Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles at home with ease. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 1/4 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter, plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring just until combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. With your batter mixed, it's time to cook. Make sure your waffle maker is preheated and lightly greased. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center of the hot iron, depending on your maker's size. Close the lid and let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and the waffle is beautifully golden brown and crisp. Your delicious homemade waffle is ready. Carefully remove it from the waffle maker using a non-scratch utensil. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Repeat the process for any remaining batter, and if you're making a batch, you can keep the cooked waffles warm in an oven set to a low temperature. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.